Our hairpin furniture comes with these contents. These are the tools that you will need. Place the furniture planks on the floor with the logos showing face up. Use a straight edge to align the planks. Measure and mark 20 centimetres in from one end at 2 different points on either side. Next, align one of the metal strips with your markings and drill into each of the holes with a 3mm pilot drill bit. Then screw the screws into each hole. Repeat the same on the other end. Mark out and place the other metal strip 20 centimetres from the end. Drill into each of the holes with a 3mm pilot drill bit. Then screw the screws into each hole. For the leg placement, we recommend 5 centimetres in from the edges of the table. Drill into each hole with the pilot drill bit and screw in the screws. Now simply style and you're done. Feel free to share your photos with us and we hope you love your new furniture.